Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can go through with Zoho CRM and what is basically Zoho CRM. So let's get into it. Let's get started. So first, you all need to go to Google and type Zoho CRM. Once you're done, you will see in the top rated profile. You will click on a first link, top rated sales CRM customer, and once you done, you will see the landing page like this. This is the official page. Let's see what's gonna look like. Like take a look at that super fast work, steady fast growth, bring the very fast out of a customer facing team with robust automations, comprehensive analytic, personalized solutions, and more. Sign up and get started in no time. The fastest implementation in the enterprise CRM market. So we're gonna get started with that before that we're gonna take a look a little bit. So you will see the different sponsorship over that. You can build excellent customer relationship, engage your customers with through the right channel at the right time and with the right message. Harness the power of in the presence, sending invitations, and more to deliver personalized experience, the breed loyalty. Now we see you will see the maximum productivity with minimum use. Let's break my myth, the CRM and all the about data entry. Zoho CRM is built to be used less, automate workflows, processes, campaigns, customer journey, and more. You can that use the focus license software and more relationship. All right, so you will see the sensational software for a sensible price. You can sign up for a free. You can see all the features, and this is the hyper managed operation with rich analytics. Make informed decisions with agility using Zoho CRM's advanced analytic tools, drive an actionable insight, create custom reports and dashboards, and measure operation in real time to drive growth in a sustainable manner. So you can customize, upscale, and deploy with ease. Manage your CRM from the bottom up without breaking a sweat with real dedicated admin panel, state of the art customization, and a powerful developer platform to extend what Zoho CRM can do. Integrate our 500 plus third party apps you love with Zoho Marketplace. So now, why choose Zoho CRM? Why? Refreshing, simple to use, a modern CRM for a modern user, dedicated program for migration, deployment, and training, extensive developer platform for custom solution and integration, flexible contracts with no login periods, no hidden cost. We don't nickel and time features, price protection, get the best deal always. So how a leading global franchise development company scale faster with the help of those CRM? You can see the complete CRM for the modern enterprises, faster deployment in the market, highly customizable, vertical on demand, and premium support for zero downtime. And the world fastest CRM, you can with Zoho CRM, we experience a 65% increase rate in your sales pipeline. We also manage to reduce or late to real prospect time by 60%, which is huge. uh, I will definitely recommend Zoho CRM to companies that experiences complexity with sales and marketing and witnessing rapid growth. So let me just we're gonna get started with that plan. Just simply click on get started. You can type your phone number here. All right, let me just all right click here. Set your email over that. All right, over here. Let me just see. You can create your password. You will over here, and you can just type your phone number here. You simply agree on the terms. Like get started. It will take some time on over here to Zoho CRM. Some time to create your account. Now, um, there we go. You will see the homepage of Zoho CRM. I want to take a tour of Zoho CRM. You will show me how to migrate my data. Let me just we're gonna take a tour. So track all of your leads. You will see click on next, simply next, commercial price, next. Take me in. Okay, all right, welcome Michael. You will see my profile over here on the top right corner, and there is my profile, my account, each and everything. You will see I'm gonna upgrade that by sign up that platform. Now you will see my open deals, my intake deal, my calls, my meeting. You will schedules your deal. You will create your meetings. You will schedule that one by using that platform, Zoho CRM. So this is how you can go through with that platform. Just review that website, go through, sign up with that application. You can it will give you the 15 days free trial, and once you get that, you will be able to use that platform. And you will see a lot of different options here. You can make different meetings, schedule that one. You can make calls, open tasks, even build a network over here. So this is how you can use that platform. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.